Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a Gaggenau induction cooktop which has no power coming onto the display. So we need to find out what is the problem. This can be our operating module or it can be any other power control board. To do that we need to take all the screws out. We have already taken out the screws from here, that's why we are showing you where to take the screws out from. And then we have to take the glass out. So to do that, just lift the glass carefully, do not break it because it will be very expensive to replace it. So after that, now we need to check out what is the main issue to the cooktop. So this is the display board. So we need to check out how much voltage is coming to the display board. For this one, it has 240 voltage coming into the display. Normally for a newer model of the induction, they have like the DC voltage coming onto the display. So it depends on the model, so you need to find out which model it is and how much voltage is coming to the operating module. This is the main idea, to find out what is the problem if there is no power coming to the display board. So this one is the newer board, and also we will show you how much power is there to the board, because we already tested, we already checked first, and then that's why we got the operating model. But we just want to show you in this video that 240 voltage is coming. So make sure the enough voltage is coming before changing the operating module, because they are not the cheaper parts. So after finding out 240 is coming to the board but there is no display, now we have decided to change the display board. So to do that, we are just replacing the side by side cables to the newer board. Also there is a spring, we need to put it on carefully. Sometimes it will just drop it when you are going to fix it on the positions, so make sure the springs are not dropped. So now we are just reversing the cable, which means like we are taking from the older ones to the newer ones to the exact positions. Sometimes like for some models they do the rewiring, so if that is the case they will just send us the document what we need to do for the newer boards. But most of the cases is like for like, so it will be much easier to replace if you know if that's the exact problem. So like if you are not really confident on doing this, if you think so that's too much for you, then we might come and help you. So just send us a comment and then we might come and help you if you are in Australia. But if you are in some other countries, then you might have to call someone nearby you. So here I'm just changing cables from the old ones to the new ones. And also, like if you think this is not the right model for you, so we might have another video covered for your models, so just check it out, our videos playlist. So we have covered for the different models and then different brands, so just check it out if this is not the right one for you, and if you think your one is little bit different from the one we are doing the video at this time. So see how I dropped the springs, so just make sure all the springs are in the position while you are putting it down. So that's all. It's not very hard to replace the operating board for the Gaggenau cooktop. The only thing is the parts are very expensive, so you need to make it out if that's the right, like your diagnosis is the right or not. So if you are thinking if you haven't done the right diagnosis, or if you are not confident with your diagnosis, so just give us a comment and then we can book a job for you. Like we will always give you a 10% discount if you are coming from our videos. So make sure you give your comment or you just text on our social platforms. So now I am putting it back the glass, and then we are going to test it if the power is coming here or not. And as you can see, now we got the power and then it's showing up, the display is on. And the next thing we have to do is to choose the language. Obviously most of us we will use the English language in Australia, and that's for the next button. And then we'll also show you how to use this cooktop, just in case if you are new for this kind of cooktop, but if you are already searching us for us to repair, that might be the case. So this one, if you just put the pot on and then you in display you'll see the setting and how much power you want to go, so you can always choose the power. So it's very easy to use it. And not only this problem, if you are having other problems for the any kind of appliances, just and if you are having trouble to fix it, just let us know in the comment and then we will come and fix it for you. Or if you want the videos for the other appliances and specific problems, just let us know, so that it will be much easier for us to make a new video. So thank you for watching us. Please subscribe and like our videos so that we'll be motivated to make newer ones. And thank you once again for watching us. Thank you very much.